Ni suwing Sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko nyam chaksoa, ang Alicia A. Sangma, na simang na dali Koborrang ko para katinga. Kata bichungrang, kay no ba onggi ja kamko dong tong bujok ang gapa ja ulwat ko, aba chinga teo na nga ha. Joint Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC ni Executive Committee, ilaka Shillong mentang sungo na winang ha. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tunsong, AITC ni matnangani ko, jegalanga. Chungpa Koborrang. Mongolbar Salo Shillong, Meghalaya State Commission for Women ni Chairman Shri Pitoy Baksana, Social Welfare ni Director Shri Didi Shiragi sabak hadda ki tarik pakai no bang gijak hamko, tungtung bojok ingga baja ulwat ko abachinga teo nangaha. Yabak, hadda gepa ja ulwat ko tarina geta Social Welfare Department, takchakani ko naha. Endaki ungingon National Crime Report Bureau NCRB ni, para kangani geta di India asung gemuk ko mi cikrang ni, kuza ko ungija dakani kamrang, patruruing anichi, neknikani rangko, matneng gepani bidingo yang dakapa ja ulwat ko tariachi, masyatio na magsungani ba jola. Salin tomanyo Meghalaya ko segri maggeparang ni, sungsalo jangi tangani, bagadang rang, aruamang ni neknikani rang ni, bidingo amsandi e, pure gemen ni report ko ba unang jola ha. Mongolbar Salo Joint Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC ni, Executive Committee wamang ni CM pa, Tombor Shiwat ni Delani Chi Batanggaman Salo, ubos taong anggap pa West Joint Hills aja ni ilaka Shillong, mentang ni nungo, kaagap pa mukro sungo na winangaha. Mukro sungo na sukarin Council ni Executive Committee sung ni nukni, dilgaparangko, grungen ba, asam ni, mukoilim police outpost ni kilometer getambri, mang tialgapa muta siang, kuai ini menggapa 0 point aro barato, mukoilim road barama geta sung ni sima ario nari ange, niro kangaha. Belsi Richard Chisku tok chat, belsiu sima ari ko bag takyo gemen map kun yam geta, wasungo na misukani geta de aro sung ni nukni dilgaparang ni aganani geta de. Barato mukoilim point aro kucha ramara, mukro sung ni ngo mancha gapa. Meghalaya aro asam sima ari 0 point ong aniko, namin misuka. Mukro sungo na wenang nirukaniyo, council ni memberang, Patanggaman November Kubur kini tariko, asam police aro asam forest guard rang ni, slay gawani chi, sungo ni siyang gapa sakbunga mandirang ni, janggirang na dagtiksa sumay na, drip tunge, piremani ko dakangaha.
The purpose is not only to identify, as I have said, that the land or the jurisdiction belong to the Mukro village, which we have already registered in the council.
Mongolbar Salo, Meghalaya adok ni Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tunsong, All India Trinamool Congress AITC ni National Spokesperson Sakit Gokhale ni matnangani ko jegalanga. Meghalaya Ecotourism Infrastructure Development Project MEIDP na New Development Bank NDB ni chamad kapagong crore Rachado kolachig ni tangkarang ko NPP chi dileng pa MDA sorkari chakalsreta ni matnangahan ni gemen Preston Tunsong jegalanga ha. Meghalaya sorkari ni kam kanirang ko All India Trinamool Congress ni dilgapa pangnan yan dake matnang runga ni Batinsong para katanga ha. Angi chanchan ni geta de, yamande unti sa gisik ni geta, ti kong beja ko may nawa sorkari ko matnangingon nangagata sa kirang ko misok na matnanangachim ani Preston Tunsong aga nanga ha. Yan dake, uni mande jenmani mukhango matnanganiara namin kranyong ja ni Deputy Chief Minister para katanga ha.
So as far as implementation of this project under NDB, as I said to you, we have nothing to hide. Everything is on record, and even the tendering process has been done online. When you say online, mean not even a semicolon can be, can be misused or can be hidden here and there. It cannot be done because it's also a national tender. So therefore, I would like to clarify to all of you, and please carry out this statement to the media, both print and electronic, because as I said to you, it's a question of confusion, and especially during the election time, this very man, I think, his intention is very clear, just to spoil the image of the government. Other than that, he don't have anything, and it seems he's also a psycho type of. With due respect, I think I need to use that words. So therefore, friends, I wanted to clarify this.
Yan dal na Koborrang ni swing Sakanti kon matela.